Good morning. 6:05. Time to start the second day. I couldn't fall asleep until like midnight. Then I fell asleep and then I woke up because I thought that somebody's trying to steal my bike. So I went outside. Obviously it was nobody there. It was just some branches moving because of the wind. I couldn't fall asleep until like 1, and then I finally fell asleep. Good morning, everybody. So this is the second day of our epic trip. Saturday, 7 a.m. I'm in the Port Hope. Just packed all my stuff, my tent, my bike, everything. Feel well, feel wonderful, no problem. Slept okay. Looking for Tim Hortons. The opposite way. Another cold, chilly morning. I'm wearing my buff, I'm wearing everything I have on me right now. I fell asleep at about like 1 a.m. and until 6. I had my alarm for 6 a.m. It was my first ever night in the tent. Yeah, I gotta say that the tent I have, it's a really good one. Like, I thought it would be colder. Tonight it was plus 13. And I just covered myself with a sleeping bag. Closer to the morning, like 4 or 5 a.m. The whole night I was just laying there on my sleeping pad. So after 35 kilometers of non-stop uphill, 3 hours, it took me 3 hours. I don't feel my legs right now. Like, not too steep, not extremely steep, but you know, constant, like constantly 35 kilometers up and up. It's tough. The hardest uphill probably I've done in my life so far, because come on, 35 kilometers, and I did 340 meters elevation, and now I'm slowly getting to the top of this beautiful uphill. So I'm just doing this paved road right now, and I'm getting to the top. And here we have a gravel road. What a beautiful day today is going to be, eh? And it's still going up. Oh shit. Yes, please. More uphills. I love it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving uphills. Finally, after 35 kilometers uphill, finally I'm going downhill. Oh my god, so great. So just did 60 kilometers today in small villages, and in these villages the road is going up and down, up and down, up and down. So I just found this place to sit. Took my sweater off, my jacket off, just a little bit of relax. Let my legs relax a little bit. And yeah, probably gonna ask somebody from the locals just to refill the bottles for me when I see somebody outside. Otherwise it's cool. Otherwise everything is nice. something really cool just happened. So I'm in this part of Ontario, which is extremely rural. So no towns, no cities, just farms and some houses, like no cafe, no anything. My water finished like 30 minutes ago. I don't have any water. And I want to drink like crazy right now. And I just took my phone and I'm checking the map and I'm thinking like, okay, I'm gonna stop by somebody's house when I see somebody, in front of their house, just to ask them to refill my water bottles. I'm just thinking about that. Some car stops, somebody stops, and then I hear some lady says, hey, I'm turning my head. She's like, hey, do you want some water? I'm like, are you reading my mind or what? So she just literally gave me a bottle of really cold water. So that's it. You think about something, it goes to the universe, and then it happens. I'm lucky. Started from yesterday after Oshawa probably. There is nothing really interesting going on around. I mean, I'm just keep cycling, kilometers, and there are only like fields to your left, to your right, no bike lanes, so you're just cycling on the road. So yeah, from Toronto to Oshawa, it was really enjoying cycling. Bike lanes, parks, lake. After that, it's just road like this that you're sharing with other cars, and just fields to your left, fields to your right. Some farms, a lot of farms. I would say really boring views. I mean, driving on a car, it's good, right? You just drive a couple hours, that's it. Cycling whole day, you're just pedaling, and you're seeing farms. Half a day, it's more than enough for this to start being boring for you. So I'm just bored, listening to some music right now. Yeah, trying not to be hit by all these cars, because literally whole day today I'm cycling on a road like this. Finally a bike lane. Oh my god, I've been missing you, baby. Oh, not for long. Literally like, I don't know, 500 meters and that's it. And back on the road. Beautiful. Bye, baby. Hi, road. I haven't been missing you at all. Їду додому.